Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings because that's where Apple keeps keyboard controls. Once you open Settings, go straight to General, then tap Keyboard. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and not in guided access. If you see fewer options, check your iOS version so you know whether settings are grouped differently. Now that you're in Keyboard, you're ready to change individual typing features. This is the first actionable place to disable automatic corrections. You'll find autocorrection near the top. Tap the toggle to turn it off so the system stops changing words as you type. While you're here, consider disabling check spelling and predictive text if you want minimal interference. If you rely on certain shortcuts, keep or add text replacements so your custom entries remain. This preserves convenience without unwanted corrections. Once done, these settings immediately change typing behavior across apps, so you'll see the difference as soon as you type. After changing settings, test typing in notes or messages to confirm autocorrection is disabled. If you still see corrections, close and reopen the app. If that fails, restart the iPhone to reload keyboard services. Make sure iCloud Keyboard Sync isn't restoring previous settings. Toggle it in iCloud settings if necessary. If problems persist, reset Keyboard Dictionary from General Reset as a last resort. This clears learned corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.